Assalamualaikum. My name is Atira Damia binti Ruzaimi. Today I will present to you about our network simulation project. Our project name is EasyNet Cyber Cafe. EasyNet Cyber Cafe has just recently opened in the Kuala Lumpur, and in the cafe it has 3 distinct areas or zones that are designed for different purposes. So for the first zone we have entertainment zones. In this zone it has features as a gaming room, streaming room, and a multimedia room. For the second zone we have professional zone. It has a dedicated workstations for private workstations and a video conferencing and a collaboration areas for professional workers. And for the last zone we have student zone. Student zone, it has digital libraries, collaborative study area, and project development area for academic purposes. So firstly we have the entertainment zone. So later then I will display in the Kisco packet tracer. So entertainment zone will be in a green box, and in the green box it use a VLAN 10. In the blue box, which is the professional zone, we will use the VLAN 20, and the last zone, which is we use for the purple zone, the student zone, we use VLAN 30. Assalamualaikum. Today I will continue with the demonstration of our simulation project in Kisco packet tracer. Before I explain about the connections, we already create the topology for EasyNet Cyber Cafe. So in here we have the router, the switch that connects with every zone using another switch. So this is the switch for the entertainment zone, this is the switch for the professional zone, and this is the switch for student zone that will connect to this zone. So I will present about the green box, which is the entertainment zone. So we use the IP address of 192.168.10.1, and we have 3 rooms, which is the gaming room, streaming room, and also multimedia room. So now I will try to connect with PCs to other PCs in the same zone. So I will take these PCs that connect with the 192.168.10.6. So we will use the command prompt, and we will type the ping command. And now we will see what happens. It is successful that we get the reply from another PC from another room. Now I will demonstrate that connect with PCs in the entertainment zone to the other zones. So I will take this PC that connect with this PC. So this PC IP address is 192.168.20.5. We use the same command prompt, ping 192.168.20.5. So we got the reply from the professional zone. So it is successful. Now I will try to ping from streaming room from this PC to the student zone for this PC. So this PC has an IP address of 192.168.30.7. 192.168.30.7. So we also got the reply, and it is successful. So that is for the demonstration for VLAN 10. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Alia Maisarah binti Sabanun, and I will present about the VLAN 20. VLAN 20 is used to segregate traffic for the professional zone, including dedicated workstation and video conferencing and collaboration areas. This to ensure an efficient traffic management and security. The router connects to the main switch via the Gigabit Ethernet 0/0 interface on the router and the gigabit 0/1 port on the main switch. We use 192.168.20.1 as the default gateway to configure for the VLAN 20. The main switch connect to the professional zone switch through the fast Ethernet 0/2 port on the main switch and gigabit Ethernet 0/1 port on the professional zone switch. These trunk links allow VLAN 20 traffic to pass through to the zone. In this zone, we have various of end devices including PCs, printers, and servers. The servers that we use on this VLAN 20 is DNS server. Each device communicates within the VLAN 20 by using the 192.168.20.1 as the default gateway for the inter-VLAN communication or access to the external networks. To test the connectivity within the VLAN 20, a ping request is sent from PC7, which is the IP address is 192.168.20.2, to PC10, the IP address is 192.168.20.5. We use command prompt to ping the PC10. So it's successful, and then we try to ping from the PC9 to the printer. Successful. Next, to test the connectivity by using the inter-VLAN, we try to ping from the VLAN 20 to VLAN 10 by use the PC10, which is the IP address is 192.168.20.5, and then we ping to the PC3 192.168.10.5. It's successful, and then we try to ping from the VLAN 20 to VLAN 30, from PC8 to PC12. It's also successful.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurul Fatih Azira binti Muhammad Isu from CDCS 11048. My matrix number is 2023188445. So today I will present about VLAN 30, which is consists 6 PC, 1 printer and 1 server. So now let's ping the VLAN 30 in the same VLAN, which is I choose PC 17 to PC 30. Pin 192.168.30.3. Enter, and the result will be successfully. Let's say I choose PC 17 to printer. Pin 192.168 30.8, and the result is also successfully. Let's say I choose from VLAN 30 to VLAN 20, which is different VLAN, PC 40 to PC 9. 192.20.4, and the result will be successfully. Let's try the printer one, which is pin 192.168.20.8, and the result will be successfully. And let's say I pin from VLAN 30 to VLAN 10. So I choose PC 12 to PC 1. Pin 192.168.10.3, and the result will be successfully. In conclusion, this project demonstrates the creation of a basic network connections using a packet tracer, focusing on configuration, router, switches, and end devices to establish secure and stable connections for cyber cafes. It highlights the importance of network topologies, efficient use of tools and software to optimize network performance, scalability, and security. The simulations serve as a valuable reference for real-world network setups, emphasizing the role of connectivities and resources in enhancing the interconnected world.